motorhome is powered by an internal leisure battery, controlled by the panel found above the main entrance door. The button on the left is the master switch. When pressed, this will switch the power to all non-essential accessories. It's worth noting that the fridge will still receive power when the master switch is off. The button with the tap symbol is the pump switch. When pressed, it will enable or disable the water pump. It will need to be turned on for the taps, shower and toilet flush to work. The button next to it is the light switch. When pressed, it will enable all the lights to be turned on by their individual switches. Next to that is the awning light. Press to turn on the outside light. You can use the up and down arrows on the left to navigate through the menus. Press enter to select or change settings. The menu includes information such as the fresh water tank level, the wastewater tank level, internal temperature, battery select, amount of current being drawn from the leisure battery, voltage of the selected battery, be it leisure or vehicle. There are a number of icons that can appear at the top of the time screen. These include the internal water pump is running, the leisure battery is below 12.2 volts, over 12 amps of current is being drawn from the leisure battery, the fresh water tank is below 10%, the wastewater tank is over 75%, the living space is being powered by the vehicle's battery rather than the leisure battery, the 230 volts main electric is connected, a connected gas appliance is using the gas supply. When a new warning is triggered, it may be accompanied by a pop-up alarm screen if the appropriate user setting is enabled. When this happens, the control panel will flash and beep until the warning is acknowledged by pressing the enter button. Note that the leisure battery will not power the 3-pin plug sockets. In order for the 3-pin plug sockets to work, you'll need to be connected to mains power via electric hookup or a generator.